Hey scrappers, we wanted to talk about radiators. Now, most cars nowadays have aluminum radiators with plastic ends on them, and of course we know the aluminum is out there. But many large trucks and many older vehicles still have radiators that are made out of brass. And I have an example here in front of me. So what you want to look for is the color. You can just see it's not white, and aluminum radiators right off the bat are white, but having your file and kind of put it in there a little bit, you can immediately see that yellow-red color just showing you brass. Now, one thing I do want to point out that I had is my magnet. You have these ends on here, so you don't want to sell this to the scrapyard like this. They're probably going to downgrade you by 30 to 50 cents per pound. But what you do want to do is you want to check. This is steel, but this one is not, and this one is not. So let's see what it is. So when you take that file and you go right through it, you can see right off the bat, what do you see? Yellow. What does that mean? These ends are brass. So what do you have to do to clean this? You want to be able to have the end off to make sure that there's no fluid inside. That gets drained. You want to throw this cap away because what is this cap made of? Steel. So this is going to go. Then you're going to be able to take the end on this and then the bottom as well. Also steel, you pull that off. Pulling those two pieces off, putting them into your shred or your light iron pile, that is a win. That's an upgrade of 40 to 50 cents per pound. So when you find these old brass radiators, always sell them as clean ones. Anyone that sells them with steel on them is losing money for a very small amount of work. We're talking about 5 minutes of work to be able to pull something off with the right tool. So this is just another way to make more money with your scrap.